that into consideration. Right.
Own key?
Are
you
you new at this, Brad? I bet Elena could have done a better job.
I guarantee Elena could have.
We don't let him
I hate all you guys.
Please.
I think we win the challenge on time alone.
That's a compelling
Pretty valid argument. Go!
This isn't going well.
Go!
Now get a bigger hole. That's unnatural.
You guys won!
Next time Elena's doing it!
1 second, flat. That's good. All right.